Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, before tamo duty sa school, around 6 a.m. pa mampod. Okay, nasa ko ibalita sa inyo na ako i-share kung baga. Okay, my February is ended with this email. Nalamiun kayo na email. It says there that application settlement is February 28, 2025. Okay, thank you so much, Lord. Okay, every time na makaka-receive manggod ko ana na message sa taas, it means that maka-happy because I know for sure every approved Sun Life application ni client, that means meron akong isang pamilya na alam ko na kung anong mangyayari sa breadwinner ay yung pamilyang maiiwan ay merong mapagkukunan para sa kanilang pangangailangan. Okay, let me introduce to you who is this client of mine. Actually, he is a teacher from Osami City. Yes, tama po kayo. From Osami City. Hindi na po kami nagkikita in person. Kasi ganito yan, kahit nasaan ka pong kahit nasaang dako ka po ng Pilipinas, basta po nasa Philippines po kayo, pwede po kayong makapag-apply ng insurance. At ako yung advisor. Okay. Nandito ako sa Surigao del Sur. Then siya nandoon sa Osami City. Yes, pwede po. No? Chat ka lang dito chat ka lang or message ka lang in this video. Pwede po natin pag-usapan kung ano yung gusto or preferred ninyo na insurance policy that suits to your financial needs. Okay, i-share ko lang the profile of my client. My client is 44 years old. Then he committed to deposit 3,500 monthly. Yes, 3,500 ang iyang commit every month. In return of, unsa may baylo sa iyang 3,500. Okay? Ang baylo sa iyang 3,500 every month na gina-deposit is 1 million death benefit. Another, accidental death benefit of 500,000. Then, critical illness of 500,000. 2,500 per day for 1,000 days. And meron pa siya nitong retirement fund of 200,000 plus and educational fund of 300,000 plus. Okay? So napakaraming benefit with that amount na i-deposit niya. Okay, that's all. I hope meron kayong makukuha na information. So, ang gusto ko lang i-emphasize is that kahit nasaan po kayo, basta't nasa Pilipinas po, pwede po akong makapagbibigay ng serbisyo bilang iyong licensed financial advisor. See you then in the comment section.